Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are here for the first time, hi, my name is Kalpana and I make makeup related videos on my channel. I'm pretty new on YouTube, so if you like my content, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. I hope you are enjoying your Sunday so far, or whatever day you are watching this video on. So for today's video, I have a makeup tutorial for you guys without using foundation. Yeah, you heard me right, without using foundation. So now I know a lot of people don't like using foundations because they think that it doesn't look good on their skin, it looks cakey, or they are not able to find a correct shade for their skin, or they simply think that it's not important, or maybe you just ran out of your foundation. There could be any reason for skipping the foundation. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can do a glam up makeup even without your foundation. So yeah, let's get started. So I've prepped my skin already, and to moisturize my skin I use this super light gel from Pond's, and this is freaking amazing. I'm so obsessed with this one. I have dry skin, so this works pretty well, and this is not even sponsored. I genuinely love this. Both this gel and that light moisturizer, I'm using it regularly. I'm feeling just so good. So this video is not about this teeny mini product, so I'm just cutting it short, and yeah, let's move on to our makeup. And moving on, the first product that we are going to use is a primer, and I'm using this Lakme Absolute Blur Primer. So now we use primer to smoothen out our skin and make sure our foundation sticks to our face nicely. But we are not applying foundation today, but I think primer just smoothen out the skin, makes it look so good. But this particular primer also give some tint to your face. If you are going for no foundation look, you really need this tint from the primer. So next up, I'm using this LA Pro Conceal to conceal my dark circles and other pigmentation that I have on my face. For a little more coverage, I'm going for this concealer from Maybelline Fit Me. To set this concealer, I'm using this loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me. I'm taking a brush and just taking some loose powder on it. So there are some days where you feel one concealer is not concealing your dark circles, and it's not looking good, and you need to use another concealer for that, or maybe another layer of same concealer. Today is such a day for me. After using two concealers, my face looks good. So that's it for my base. I'm liking it. Wow. Next up, I'm bronzing my skin using this amazing bronzer from Rimmel, natural bronzer. Just staying it on this fluffy brush. I'm using this blush from Sugar. Just applying on apple of my cheeks and blending it upwards with the bronzer. I will be applying highlighter at the end. For now, I'm doing my eyebrows using this one from Innisfree. Now next up, I'm taking the same bronzer that I used on my face and my favorite blending brush from Pro Arte PF13. I'm taking this bronzer on this brush, just tapping off. And I'm using my bronzer as eyeshadow today. Now on the same brush, I'm taking a dark brown color, and the palette is this one from Makeup Revolution, and this is the dark brown color. I'm just putting this dark color in my corners and also putting in the crease a little bit. Putting the same color in my lower lash line. I'm switching the brush for my lower lash line. Just blending this color with the bronzer that we used. I'm not doing a wing today, I'm just drawing a simple eyeliner. I've done a non-weight eyeliner after such a long time, and I'm liking this like for a change. Next up, Kajal. I'm using the same basic Kajal from Colorbar. Just putting it in my lower lash line. I'll just curl my lashes and put on some mascara. For lips, I'm using this Maybelline Powder Mattes in the shade Almond Pink. This shade is quite famous, so it is nude pink color. Although the shade is lovely, no doubt, but it is a little bit more creamy than what I like, so I'm just gonna make it a little matte. For that I'm taking my loose powder and just taking some of it. I'm just tapping this powder on my lips. This will also make the lipstick stay for longer and will give a matte finish. And after that, I like to use very little amount of the same lipstick so that it doesn't look like flat and super matte. That's it. Since I like this shade so much, I'm also just dotting it on my cheeks. Finally, time for highlighter. So that's it, guys. That was no foundation makeup routine. This is quite simple and easy to do. I didn't make it super complicated with eyeshadow looks and all those. I just pretty kept it simple. I hope you liked it. Let's give a big thumbs up to this video and please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.